Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm talking about and showing you how to turn off call forwarding option on Android. So guys, first up, for some people, depending on which model of the phone you have and which actual caller, the dialer you're using, the option to turn it off or on might be in the dialer itself. In my case, I've searched for it, it's not there. In my case, it's actually in the phone settings itself. So in order to begin, I'm just going to use my search for the settings. So just type in forwarding. And as you can see in here, we have call forwarding settings. On this screen, guys, just select which SIM card you wish to disable or enable call forwarding for. I'll choose mine. And now just give it a bit of time so that the settings are loaded. Let me wait. All right, and as you can see, in my case, call forwarding is disabled except for the when unreachable. If you want to turn it off, just choose the particular setting that you wish. For example, I will choose unreachable. And in here, as you can see, I have a button, turn off. So I'm going to press turn off. As you can see, it's updating the settings. And now my call forwarding will be completely disabled. And guys, depending on your phone model, you do the same thing. If you have a dialer, you can do it from there. If not, you do it in your phone settings. Enjoy, guys. Now your call forwarding is off. If this helped you out, like the video and subscribe.